Hello D-Nation and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize a 1/18 scale diecast chopper motorcycle into a trike, which is a motorcycle which has 3 wheels. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, to begin with, I want to let you know that I've been looking around for a 1/18 scale diecast chopper style trike for ages, and unfortunately I was not able to find one, and on cleaning my box of spares the other day, I came across a set of wheels which made me come up with a plan to make a custom trike. So here we are to bring this 1/18 scale custom trike from a plan to reality. So before we get to the good stuff, I want to let you know that this diecast replica is from the Iron Choppers line of motorcycles manufactured by Motormax. And this custom beauty measures in at 5.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2.5 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams, which are standard 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle specs. And this replica comes with a pair of free-rolling wheels, a kickstand for display, a steerable front fork, and the highlight is the chrome components and the awesome graphics. And with that out of the way, let's get this custom build started. Well, all I can say is that although this custom was a simple build, this still is a unique diecast beauty and a one of a kind. Besides the looks, it's quite functional too, and I'm really glad the way this custom turned out. And with that out of the way, let's place this one of a kind custom trike alongside the original chopper and make a side-by-side comparison. And please do let me know in the comments below as to what do you think about this diecast custom trike and which one of these diecast beauties are your favorite. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. Well, all I can say is that these choppers are amazing and unique in their own way, and I'm glad that I finally made a custom trike to add to my collection. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and place this custom trike on the Dnation dyno and take a look at its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as its well-detailed exteriors. And this custom chopper trike gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at a few of my favorite 118 scale custom choppers from my collection. So here we go. Well, I couldn't help but share these custom diecast beauties with you, and I hope you enjoyed them. And with that being said, let's go ahead and place these amazing diecast custom choppers on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these diecast beauties in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on custom choppers coming up. A chopper is a type of custom motorcycle which emerged in California in the late 1950s. The chopper is perhaps the most extreme of all custom styles, often using radically modified steering angles and lengthened forks for a stretched out appearance. Most iconic choppers have lengthened or stretched out frames and larger than stock front wheels. Choppers can be built from an original motorcycle which is modified or chopped, or built from scratch. Some of the characteristic features of choppers are long front ends with extended forks, often coupled with an increased rake angle, hardtail frames which are frames without rear suspension, very tall ape hanger or very short drag handlebars. The sissy bar is a set of tubes that connect the rear fender with the frame and which are often extended several feet high, which is a signature feature on many choppers. Over time, choppers became more and more about achieving a certain look rather than being primarily performance-oriented modifications. The modifications that had their origin in hot rodding evolved into an artistic and aesthetic direction. Over the decades since the first choppers were created, many different trends and fads have taken hold. So that is often possible for someone to look at a chopper and say that is a 1970s style or fits into a specific era or subtype. Some contemporary builders specialize in building choppers that very exactly fit into these styles, which are frequently referred to as old school style choppers. And for further information on custom motorcycles and choppers, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these 118 scale custom chopper diecast motorcycle replicas that were featured in today's video, I dropped the playlist link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these amazing custom motorcycle chopper replicas are your favorite and what are your thoughts about this custom trike build. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also, do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.